In this video, let us understand what is entry criteria and exit criteria. Entry criteria is a set of conditions that must be met or fulfilled before we can start the testing process. In other words, actual testing of an application or product begins when the entry criteria is met. Some of these conditions are: development of the application is complete and the team has performed unit testing before moving the build to the testing team. A release note or a support document is available which lists all the changes that were part of this respective build. All of the requirements document and other testing documents have been reviewed and approved by the concerned people. Test environment is up and running. Availability of devices if the testing is going to involve device testing. Test data necessary for test execution has been created and is available. So, as defined earlier, entry criteria is a predefined set of conditions that must be met before we can commence the testing process. Exit criteria is a set of conditions that must be completed before we can certify testing process as complete. Some of the conditions are: all of the test cases should have been executed and should have passed. All the identified defects have been fixed, retested and marked as closed. No high priority or critical severity bug has been left out in the testing process. Have met the desired and sufficient coverage of the requirements and functionalities under the test.